The rise of social media. This year's YouTube stats show that, spoiler alert, YouTube is still bigger than all the other social media platforms. YouTube itself likes to quote a stat from a study it commissioned a few years ago that says on mobile alone it reaches more 18 to 34-year-olds than any TV network. YouTube viewers are most likely to be in the US. Next runners-up, 8.1% of YouTube viewers are in India, and 4.6% are in Japan. YouTube works in 80 different languages and 91 different countries. According to YouTube execs, anyway. Independent research supports this, with 81% of US adults saying they occasionally or regularly watch videos recommended by the algorithm. Almost 44,000 channels with 250,000 subscribers or more, and concluded that a small share of videos and creators are disproportionately popular. YouTube says 250 million hours of watch time per day are happening on TV screens. Elsewhere, YouTube also says people watch about 1 billion hours of video on the platform every day. It might include multiple forms of YouTube monetization. Regardless, it's tough to say if this is good news for all content creators on YouTube, or just the really successful ones. In other words, YouTube is the most preferred platform that has ads for watching video on TV screens.